Hello and welcome to Market in a Minute. August 26, 2025. KSE-100 index rejected at 149,450 level as momentum cools. Closing red 4 days in a row now, despite the trend still holding above the 10-day exponential moving average. Let's look at the chart. So here we are, a 380-point drop for the day with 4 red candles in a row. The market has finally broken below the 5-day exponential moving average, but it's still holding above the 10-day EMA, 10 and 20-day EMA cluster. Let's break it down. Volume is progressively lower, which means that the pullback is on lighter participation, not heavy distribution. RSI overbought but reducing, which means momentum is easing. But MACD is telling a very strong tail, much stronger tail. Death cross was formed a day or two ago, but the histogram is now going deeper and deeper into red, which means bearish momentum is building and negative spread is widening. ADX is also plateaued and is now going down, even though 56.75 is a very strong trend, but this shows a mature phase which is susceptible to digestion. In technical analysis, digestion refers to a phase where the market consolidates after a strong run instead of continuing straight up or breaking down, which is what it seems to be doing, perhaps stopping for a breather. So putting it all together, the positives would be the structure is still bullish, the price structure of the market is still above the 10 and 20-day EMA stack. The pullback has come on lighter volume, notice here, not aggressive selling. ADX also, while declining, still says the market is firmly in a strong trend. Now the negatives are more telling. Price closed below, once again, the 5-day exponential moving average. That shows near-term bias is soft. RSI remains overbought, but the downside is now downturn is starting. MACD is firmly bearish. Negative histogram is deepening. There has been a very strong rejection of sorts at the 149,450 level so far. So, putting it all together, our verdict for the day would be that the primary uptrend is still intact, technically, but short-term momentum is cooling. Below the the price structure is below the 5-day EMA, RSI is easing, MACD is deteriorating. We can expect consolidation or a drift towards the 10-day EMA. Unless, of course, buyers reclaim this 146,800 to 149,450 levels with much stronger volume, the kind of volumes we had back in the day, not these dipping soft volumes. So right now, what can be said with certainty is that the market has been stopping for a few days for a breather at least. Stay tuned.